Hey guys, so welcome guys. I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money online by creating your own stream of income, earning over $100 per day and even $1,000 a month. Now this account you are seeing is an Naira account, so you can earn above this. I did it and you too can do it. You can earn from this and then head to this immediately, and you can just earn it whether you're a sit-at-home mom or somebody that just wants to work remotely. I'll be showing you the app, how you can just do. All you are going to be doing here is what? Product and selling, and you don't need any form of capital or investment. If you are seeing this video as a short, just quickly tap down the related video so that you can watch the full video, because I won't be able to say all I have to say within the first 60 seconds of a short. So quickly, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, please make sure you like and comment. Wherever you are watching this video from, you can do it yourself, either from any part of the continent, be it in Africa, be it in Europe, be it in Asia, be it in Australia. Wherever you are, you can actually do this and actualize it yourself and earn in whatever currency of your choice. So quickly, let's head straight into it, how you can actually do these things yourself. So quickly, let's dive straight into it immediately. So first of all, the app we are going to be using to do this is called Facebook. Many of you have heard of Facebook, but you guys don't really know that Facebook is actually a gold mine. I've been making money in Facebook for over 3 years, and I've been earning effortlessly, and the pay is actually really good. And you know, the good part of it is that I don't own a store at all. I don't own a physical store on my own, but you see what? I am making money. So quickly guys, if you don't know how to create a Facebook account, maybe I will be discussing that or showing you how to create it, or do one wherever you are watching from. So if you don't know how to create a Facebook account, please make sure you indicate in the comment section. So quickly guys, what you'll be needing here is what? You head to Facebook and make sure you have created an account. So the interface you'll be going for is the marketplace. So now, what's Facebook Marketplace? Facebook Marketplace is something that has been in existence for long, and some people might have dived into it, but probably you did it in a wrong way, and that's why you are not making money. Well guys, I'll be showing you how you can actually make money on Facebook Marketplace without even any form of investment. And if you even have a physical store on your own, that's a plus for you. So quickly, let's go. Now if you go straight into Marketplace, now this interface is actually available for everyone. So wherever country you are watching from and wherever you are, you can actually sell products on Facebook and even offer different kind of services and earn from it. So first of all, you have to go to Facebook Marketplace. Now what I'll be showing you now is how to sell. Now the secret here is that you might be wondering, but you don't have anything to sell, so how am I telling you that you are going to be making sale here? Now this is the secret. For if you know you don't have a physical store, I'll be showing you how to drop ship. Now what is drop ship? If you are hearing the word for the very first time, drop shipping simply means to sell goods or item or render services that are not directly yours. You are just like an intermediary between the buyer and the actual seller. So you are like a middle person. You are connecting a buyer and the seller, and at the end of the day, you earn a commission. So how to do this as a drop shipper? You just have to have a trusted person, somebody that you know even physically, or somebody that you know online that you can trust, that is selling any form of products, and you know that this product is going to actually make good sales. So you have to just make contact with the person, learn of the person location, how much the person wants to sell this item, ensure that you notify the person that you will be drop shipping and you'll be adding a price on top. For example, let's say a clothes or a shoe or whatever is worth, let's say $5, or in Naira, let's say 5,000 Naira. So, and you'll be adding a commission of you'll be selling it to the buyer for 6,000 Naira, or for $6. So that extra $1 on top becomes yours. So there will be an agreement between you and the owner of that business. Hope you are clear. If you have any question, please quickly ask and make sure you subscribe. So that's basically how you can engage in drop shipping, and then you now collect all the pictures and datas and everything needed for you to be able to sell that product efficiently. So quickly, let me show you how you'll be able to sell here. So now quickly, you just have to tap on this. You see this my profile icon on my top right. You see there are different categories here. This is very beautiful. I've been making money, a lot of money, for the past 3 years, and I believe many people do not actually know that this is a gold mine and they are not making good use of it. So guys, I don't want you to miss out. You can earn money online without any form of capital or investment. You don't need a physical store. You can drop ship products and you make your own money. So now let me show you how to do it correctly. Now when you tap on this profile icon, it's going to load up. Now this profile icon just simply is loading up towards your own way to sell. Now you can see my own account, you can see, so it will not look as if I'm just saying things I'm not doing. You can see these are my actually listing, and it's in naira because I'm actually making sales from an African country, which is Nigeria. So as for you, it will be reading in any currency of your choice depending on where you are, and you'll be making money. So now let's say I want to create what, a new listing. I want to sell something. I'm going to be showing you how you can create a new listing and sell it efficiently in a way that you will hit up different customers, and how you can actually keep these customers to be what, returning customers. I'm showing you now. It's in two ways. If you have a physical store, you can engage in this. If you don't have a physical store, you can engage in it through what, drop shipping. Remember again, I said drop shipping just simply means you are a middle person between what, the buyer and the actual seller, and you earn a commission which you legally have an agreement with the person who is selling it. The buyer will not even be aware. The buyer will just assume that you are the direct seller. It's just a little secret between you and the actual seller, and you are making cool money. I've been doing this for the past 3 years and I'm earning. So quickly now, let's go. First of all, you'll be choosing a category. Now if you want to do this, there are different, see, there is no limit to what you can sell. You can see I can sell vehicles, I can sell different cars, I can sell housing, it can be real estate property. You market them here. There is, hope you know, Facebook have one of the highest community members. There is a lot of billion of people on the Facebook space, and there is no limit to what you can sell and what you can make. The $1,000 I'm even saying, that's the least. That's probably you are not even making sale. You can even earn better than that depending on what you are selling and how much the prices are. If you are selling cars, definitely a car is worth more than 1 million, that's in naira, and a car is worth more than what, $10,000 depending on what type of car you are selling. So earning $1,000 is the least for starters. So quickly now, if it's now, this is what, this is for vehicle, this is for housing, that's you are selling property. Then this is for furniture, household item, appliances, tool, garden, electronics. Now you can just scroll through. I don't want this video to be overly long. So these are the things you can actually make sales of. You understand? So baby items and the rest. So now let me assume that I want to make sales of what, men clothing and shoe. So whatever category that you choose, that will be what you are going to be selling, and that's what Facebook Marketplace is going to push to a certain audience within the geographical zone that you selected. I'm going to be showing you how to do it. Now I've selected what, I'm selling men clothing and shoe. Facebook Marketplace has picked that data. Then the next thing for me to do is that, what am I selling? What's the condition? Is it new? Is it used? Is it used fairly? So that is to say, you don't actually need to sell actually new things. You can sell what, old items, and people will buy. Now this is, let's say I'm selling something that is what, new. Now I'm going to indicate the brand of that product, whatever the brand is, whatever brand it is, be it LG brand, be it Panasonic brand. For this now it's clothing, so be it Gucci, be it D&G, be it Louis Vuitton. So I'll just indicate. Are you seeing it? Then I'll indicate the size. If I have different type of sizes, I'll indicate it either with small, medium, XL, and extra large. I will indicate it here. Then I'll now write, what am I selling? Remember, I'm just going to simply put men clothing. If it's men clothing and shoe, I will also what, indicate there. Now I'm going to choose a price tag. Now you can see it is reading naira because what, I'm in what, Africa, and in an African nation, which is Nigeria, and we're using naira as our currency. If you're in any part of the world, it is your price tag, that currency you are using, that's what is going to be displayed here. Now the next part for you to do is what, choose location. Now you can see my location here is Lagos. So for example, let's say I'm not even in Nigeria or Africa, maybe I'm in Kenya or whatsoever. Let's say for example I'm in South Africa. I'll just type South. So you see the countries are appearing here. I'll just type South Africa and just put the actual place in South Africa. You understand? So for example, this is South Africa. I can just put Pretoria, South Africa. Wherever the country is, I will just indicate, so that Facebook will just push my products to people that are in South Africa. So you can actually make this sale wherever you are, as far as you can deliver to them. You can indicate and choose that country. So you can have contact with somebody that is selling outside the country. So you can see, as I indicated South Africa, I hope you notice the currency change. Are you guys following? So if you have somebody that have something to sell in South Africa or United States or in Canada, you can market the products here on Facebook, interact with the buyer, After you are done interact with the buyer, link every full details to the seller and have the thing delivered right from where the person is, and the person that is in that country will just send you your money. If you are confused in any way, make sure you ask your question. Then the next thing is to give a detailed description. Now in this description, you can just first of all do what I call professional branding. Now you can say my name is this, so my name is this blah blah blah, I'm the owner of this store or real estate firm. This is my contact details for fast and easy more communication. That's if you cannot reach me through the marketplace. You can even put your website and email on this description box, and people will be able to reach you and still patronize you. Now if you want to now display this item, it's where you can add photos of whatever you are selling. It's just going to put, if you want to hide your listing from friends, you don't want your friends to know that you are making sales on Facebook, you can hide it. Or if you want, and you can indicate that you offer delivery, or if you close it, that means you are not offering delivery. So you can just tap this. If I do this, I'm hiding from friends. If I do this, I'm offering delivery. So you can just use this toggle button any way you want it. So you see guys, with this way you can able to be making money. Even though you're a student, you can just be making money freely. As a student, you can just be doing this through drop shipping. And now if you want to be having returning buyers, after you have indicated your details here, including your number, these people that have bought from you, they will also reach out to you on WhatsApp. And from WhatsApp, you can be posting on your status as you are posting in this marketplace, and you have all these customers by yourself. So through drop shipping, you are now making money through the seller for something you had no capital invested in, just your making use of Facebook Marketplace. So guys, I believe you learned a lot through this video, and I'm hoping I'm going to see a lot of millionaires, and I believe I've solved a lot of problem here. As an existing someone that have a business, you can make use of Facebook Marketplace properly so that you can earn well. So guys, I believe you have learned something. Please make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. You can join my Telegram channel with the description box. It is in the description box, because I post about crypto and other financial advices for you to make money online. So join my Telegram channel. It is in the description box. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know where you are watching this video from. Make sure you turn on the bell notification button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Subscribe, drop your comments. Let me know where you are watching from. Make sure you drop your comments and ask whatever question you have in the comment section. I'll be glad to interact with you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.